Hello viewers, welcome again in another video about pipeline inspection and testing. As an inspection professional, we come across different steps of pipeline inspection and testing during and after pipeline construction. Maybe you are a new inspector, or you are a welding supervisor, or a businessman, or other professional, but you are interested in learning about pipeline inspection. This video is all about common inspection and testing steps after pipeline construction. Generally, pipeline completion has 3 steps, such as fabrication, installation, and commissioning. Here we discuss the inspection steps before pipeline handover for operation or commissioning. If you think the video is helpful, please like, subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to get the updated video notification. Leave a comment if you think anything should be included for improvement. If you have worked in pipeline construction, you might know there are many steps of inspection that need to be completed before starting operation. I believe you can find inspection during fabrication and installation period, material verification, pipe installation, destructive test in some cases. Then there are inspections like pipe fit up, weld visual, non-destructive testing of weld, flange management, and many more. In this video, we are going to focus on the inspection we carry out after the completion of the pipelines. There are 4 stages of inspection that are common upon completion of a pipeline: line check, pressure test, which is called hydro test or pneumatic test, flushing, and reinstatement. Let's discuss about line check. Whether you are a client or contractor representative, you need to carry out a line check after completion of piping work. If you are a client representative, you received an official RFI, request for inspection, and a piping package for review to start line check. However, some fundamental documents need us to consider before starting a line check. At first, P&ID, piping and instrumentation diagram. The highlighted P&ID assists you in understanding the line location and related instrument required to install with the pipeline, as well as system recognition and many other features you can understand from P&ID. Isometric drawing shows you pipe material, fittings, line orientation, slope of the line, design pressure, other related information of pipeline installation. Weld traceability matrix confirm the all pipe joints. Inspection and related tests are done and recorded. All these elements are compiled with other related documents that are called test packages. The test package is the main guideline for your field inspection. At this stage, you might need to record punch for outstanding work. I will upload a detailed video about the line check test package. Please watch my channel for updated videos, because one video can't cover this all line check and test package details. Let's move on pressure test. A pressure test is a method of testing newly fitted pipelines for leak type. Depend on test medium, we called hydro test, medium is water; pneumatic test, medium is air; pressure test has to be done by following specific test procedure, including course, standard, project specification. Test pressure references are P&ID, ASME code or procedure. Common practice is test pressure should be 1.5 times of design pressure. Temperature and pressure gauge recorders or chart need to be used to monitor the test. I will upload a detailed video about pressure test soon with all details. Next step, pipeline flushing. The purpose of flushing is to remove any dirt, debris, well, grease, rust, scale, etc. from the pipeline. Various types of flushing are carried out in pipelines depending on the future use of the pipelines and pipeline class or system. Water flushing release water in low pressure after hydrotest. Chemical flushing, hot oil flushing, pigging, nitrogen purging to remove contaminated gas from pipeline. It's not enough for one video to describe all flushing details, so keep an eye on my channel for next video about flushing. Let's do final stage of inspection is reinstatement. Upon completion of the other three stages of inspection, reinstatement is the last stage of inspection. Where all temporary things such as gasket, blind flanges, etc. are removed or replaced. All punches need to be closed. Here we ensure all work is completed and the system is ready for commissioning. Usually a checklist can be found in the package. After reinstatement, the pipeline is ready for commissioning and operational trial. Hello again. This video is a glimpse of the inspection stages of pipeline. If you are interested in knowing about pipe fit up, visual and repair, please check the right corner of your screen for a link or find the playlist named Welding Inspection on my channel. Keep watching my channel videos for details of inspection stages. Like, subscribe and click the bell button.